Well, I'm not even sure कि मैं ये वीडियो डालूंगी भी कि नहीं डालूंगी, but I'm still recording it. So as the title suggests, the journey of an introvert, and that introvert is none other than me. So basically बहुत तरीके की पर्सनालिटीज़ होती है. कुछ लोग एक्सट्रोवर्ट होते हैं जिनको बाहर जाना बहुत पसंद होता है, लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करना बहुत पसंद होता है, बातचीत करना बहुत पसंद होता है. कुछ लोग इंट्रोवर्ट होते हैं जिनको लोगों की कंपनी इतनी पसंद नहीं होती, थोड़े शाय या काफ़ी शाय हो सकते हैं, एंड उनको अपनी कंपनी में काफ़ी अच्छा और कंफर्टेबल महसूस होता है. सो एम्बिवर्ट आर द पीपल जो कुछ सिचुएशंस में एज एन एक्सट्रोवर्ट बिहेव करेंगे और कुछ सिचुएशंस में एज एन इंट्रोवर्ट बिहेव करेंगे. सो ओवर द इयर्स आई थिंक मैं इंट्रोवर्ट से कुछ हद तक एम्बिवर्ट बन चुकी हूँ. इट हैपन्स ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. आपके लर्निंग्स, आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस, आपके फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, रिलेशनशिप्स, एवरीथिंग. सो सब चीज़ें कंबाइन करके आपकी एक ओवरऑल पर्सनालिटी बनती है. एंड इफ समवन आस्क्स मी वेदर यू आर एन इंट्रोवर्ट और एन एक्सट्रोवर्ट, सो आई विल हैप्पीली से दैट आई विल ऑलवेज बी एन इंट्रोवर्ट, दैट आई हैव फॉरएवर बीन. आई विल हैप्पीली एम्ब्रेस माई सेल्फ एज एन इंट्रोवर्ट who eventually became an ambivert personality. I owe this change to the learnings and experiences that life has taught me. Going out, stepping out of my comfort zone, making friends of contrasting personalities. अब टाइम है एक छोटी सी स्टोरी का. Throughout my school days या college days, I have always been an introvert person. I was someone who never enjoyed attention and used to run away from it. मुझे बहुत uncomfortable होता था लोगों के बीच में, and I was not comfortable. I had lack of confidence. Small instances like जब भी लोग या relatives मेरे घर आ जाते थे तो I was in my room figuring out how to avoid them और मुझे उनसे बात ना करनी पड़े. या फिर एक छोटा सा इंस्टेंस when I remember कि मेरी मम्मा बोलती हैं go and order from McDonald's, जाकर ऑर्डर करके आओ like a McAloo Tikki burger, and I was so scared that I couldn't go to that person and order a McAloo Tikki burger for myself. Now this is something that I'm reading from one of my notes. So in my school or during my job, I have always had friends who were super popular and extroverts. I used to enjoy their company, but somehow I did feel that how are they so easy with people? I mean, इतना flow of conversation कैसे आ जाता है, इतना content बातों का कैसे आ जाता है, and it made me wonder what's wrong with me, या फिर why am I not able to have conversations with people. I never had an official badge or loaded certificates, but I'm pretty sure if someone goes to my school or college, they might not even remember me except one or two teachers and a few classmates. I can count the things that I received during my college days or school days, and honestly I never felt the need. I was always comfortable in my cocoon, but with time and experiences I learned few things that changed me as a person. Now I'd like to take you through few turning points that actually helped and shaped me, and थोड़ा बहुत confidence मेरा बढ़ा इन सब चीज़ों के होने के बाद. So the very first time I still remember that I went to my own college for a recruitment drive with few of my seniors, and I had to give a debate in front of the entire auditorium. That was the time that I had shivers in my hands and legs, और मैं बहुत डरी हुई थी उस वक्त. But I finally managed to give the speech. That experience made me feel more confident. जब मैं गई college अपने. Another one here is, guys, cleared an entrance exam all by myself. उसके बाद I had to give endless presentations. बहुत सारी हमारी PPTs होती रहती थी, चलती रहती थी, and we had to present in front of the entire class. तो that actually became a routine. And मुझे उतना डर नहीं लगता था जितना मुझे पहले लगता था presentations या लोगों के सामने बोलने में. Attended my very first national conference in Delhi अपने ऑफिस की तरफ से, and represented my organization. And I had to, dressed up in formals, speaking to prospects and clients, और वो सारी चीज़ें that actually helped me boost my confidence. Gave a dance performance in front of 100 odd people whom I've never met. तो मैंने कभी आज तक लाइफ में स्टेज पर डांस नहीं किया था, and that was actually a test of time. But the one good thing was that when I went on stage, मुझे बिल्कुल डर नहीं लगा, and I was completely enjoying myself. started a YouTube channel and stepped completely out of my comfort zone. कभी नहीं सोचा था that I'm gonna started Light Up Life with my sister an Instagram page जिसका लिंक मैं यहाँ रखूँगी. If you guys wanna check it out, you can check it out. हम लोग पोस्ट करते हैं कंटेंट ऑन पॉजिटिविटी, मेंटल हेल्थ एंड वेल बीइंग पे. मैं हमेशा दिखती थी इन माय कॉलेज डेज. मुझे हमेशा से इंटरेस्ट था व्लॉगिंग में. जब व्लॉगिंग मैंने स्टार्ट नहीं की थी उससे पहले भी मेरे पास बहुत सारी वीडियोज़ हैं जो कि मैं अब रिकॉर्ड करती रहती थी, बट आई नेवर यूज्ड टू पोस्ट इट आउट. व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑफ द लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस वेरी क्लोज टू मी. Saying goodbye to all the judgments and the preconceived notions that people might or will ever have about me. I embraced it as my journey and just wanted to try everything because you leave this world behind, so live a life that you'll always remember. Always very, very grateful to my family and my friends and all the people who have always supported me in the silliest and in the tiniest ideas that I've ever had. In the little odd things that come into my mind. और मैं सोचती हूँ मैं इस तरीके की वीडियो बनाऊँ, उस तरीके की वीडियो बनाऊँ, ये करूँ, वो करूँ. So people, you always need that support from your loved ones. Very grateful for that. Embraced my natural skin because I was always a girl who had a lot of scars and marks on her face. बहुत ज़्यादा pimply face था मेरा, especially during college time. And I have had instances where people used to say, "Oh God, क्या चेहरा है? Your face is full of pimples. Why don't you do anything about your face?" Dude, that's my face. That's my skin. You have no right to say that. And that's when I realized I have come a long, long, long way. So this was my journey as an introvert, and I think जाते जाते I just want to read one quick note that I wrote in my journal for myself to you guys. I will always be that introvert Ishani because I love her. Because of her, this is me speaking to you guys. टारा, तो मेरी जर्नल आ गई. इसमें तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें लिखती रहती हूँ मैं whenever I want to write down something, या मुझे कुछ भी ऐसा अच्छा लगता है, या मेरा दिन बहुत अच्छा होता है या बहुत बुरा होता है, या फिर few things that I'm grateful for in life for every day. तो I have made it a habit of writing it. काफ़ी help होती है मुझे. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, bye.